Is your Windows 11 screen is flickering? Stay with me and find out some fixes for this problem. Hello everyone, this is Lucy and let's get to the video. So first, try checking the cause of your flickering. So go to Task Manager and find out if anything flickers here. If something flickers, then it's probably your graphics card. If it doesn't, then it's your app. You might be having some third-party apps in your computer. So just go ahead and uninstall them through settings. Here, once you get into settings, you need to go and click on apps. Here you will see installed apps at the top. Click on that. Now scroll down and find the third party app. You just need to click on these three dots and click on uninstall. After that, follow the on-screen instructions and uninstall it. So after that, make sure you restart. So if the flickering still persists, you can always update your graphics card driver. So you need to go to your start menu, right click on it and go to device manager. After you get into your device manager, you will see this option, display adapters. Click on this arrow and update your driver. Click on update and follow the on-screen instructions, and if there are any updates available, update it. And these are a few solutions for your flickering screen in Windows 11. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. For more videos, subscribe to this channel and I'll meet you guys in the next video.